All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and we're together again, and I love that. I love being here with you, and we have some stuff to talk about. So yeah, Thursday, May 20th, 2021. Instead of starting off with the markets, let's start off with economic data that we just got this morning. So I hate to even say this, another 444,000 people applied for first-time unemployment benefits last week. It's a horrible number. It's absolutely abysmal. But again, go ahead, turn on CNBC, Fox Business, Bloomberg. They're playing this up as if it's the greatest thing in the history of the world because it could have been worse. Well, that just got followed up by the Federal Reserve's factory activity gauge, which fell. So what does that mean? Well, no surprise to you, factory activity here in the United States continues to slow, like our economy continues to crater. You understand? There's no end in sight here. Okay, they can play this up like they want to. They can, blow sunshine up your crack. Whatever they want to do is we're in economic collapse. We've been in a collapse, an engineered collapse for quite a while now. A complete wipeout of the middle class is underway. Corporate America is stronger than it's ever been. Small businesses wiped out, 70%, never coming back. But everything is just fantastic. Anyway, that's the freak show. And you know that. Let's go to the markets here. Right now, stock futures are mixed. We got Dow futures slightly lower. We got S&P futures slightly higher. NASDAQ futures slightly higher. This could change prior to the market open, which doesn't start for about a half of an hour. Crude oil is under a little bit of pressure right now. 10-year yield stable. Dollar slightly lower. Cryptocurrencies are really nice rebound. Bitcoin is back around 42,000 right now. The other cryptos are catching a bid as well. No surprise to you. A lot of institutional buying here. And we all knew this was going to happen. It's a no-brainer here. Whenever this stuff drops, institutions are going to jump in here and buy it. Hedge funds, the investment banks, the rich people out here, they're going to be buying these dips moving forward, just as I have explained to you. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, people, don't play with scared money. All right? I can't tell you how many emails I got yesterday, this morning. I wake up, I can't even read them all. It's impossible, but I try to touch on them. Don't get into that space if you cannot handle volatility. If there's anything that we have learned or should have learned from, getting into cryptocurrencies is they are volatile. I talk about this all the time, but it seems that people just can't handle it. And, look, it's not for everybody. It's definitely not. You have to have some kind of, strong stomach to deal with the swings in cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for slow, steady gains in the market, buy large cap stocks that pay dividends. That's it. You'll have to deal with some volatility because nothing goes straight up. This business of investing, this business of trading is really, really not for everyone. Get out of the market. Honestly, if you can't handle it. And it seems like a lot of you that have written to me just are having a difficult time. And look, like I said, that doesn't make you a bad person. That just means it's not for you. You understand? So find something else to do or another way to get your money to work. Like me, look, it took a long, long, long time for me to be able to deal with stuff like that. Big swings in your portfolio. It's not easy, okay? But again, if you step back, look at the big picture, understand what's going on around you, what central banks are doing, the environment we are in. It makes it easier to deal with the wild swings in any asset. I mean, let's look at silver. Silver has some pretty wild swings here and there. We understand physical metals derive value from a derivative. It's upside down. We know what JP Morgan is doing, and it's frustrating. I understand that. But for me, like I said, these are long-term holds. I don't trade these things. Same thing for cryptocurrencies. So again, look, you can have your perspective on these things, and that's fine. They've made a lot of people, including myself, a lot of money. And but again, it's not for everybody. So, pick the spots that you want to be in, that you're comfortable with, and, allocate funds in that manner. It's really that simple. You understand? I think you do. Anyway, so in summary here, just real quick, let's put this together. We got another 444,000 people applying for first-time unemployment benefits. I feel very bad for these people. My heart goes out to them. We got factory activity continuing to slow down here in the United States. We got debts and deficits hyper ballooning. We're not making things. We're not exporting things. We're importing a lot of stuff now, more than ever. Again, our trade deficit is astronomical. All right, and prices are rising across the board. It's not a good spot to be in for people, and that is very sad. That's why I'm really trying to work hard to bring you this kind of information. And some of it, like I said, is not for everybody. If you don't understand the crypto space, you want to stay out of it, then that's fine. I'm not saying everyone has to be in it. It's a place I want to be in. I think a lot of the people that follow my work understand what they're doing and why they're doing it here. You can't be in the dollar. You want to be in physical gold, physical silver? Absolutely. I still say my favorite trade in the world, or investment in the world, is physical silver. You all know that. But I am far, far removed from a one-trick pony. I like to be diversified into a lot of different things. And I look for opportunity, even if it's risky. I want to try to capitalize on what's going on around me. You understand? I think you do. So anyway, that's really the story here. So we got a mixed market. We'll see what happens at the open. I covered pretty much everything that's going on right now. Let's see what they do to crude oil. They got to prop that up. After that hit that we took yesterday, it's under a little bit of pressure right now. Let me check this real quick for you while I got you here. Yeah, crude is under some pressure here. Okay, whatever. They're going to prop that up, and that's going to boost the energy sector, financial sector, which took a hit yesterday, both because crude oil got slammed. But it's not going to last, in my view. And every time I've said, it dipped and watch it go higher, it has done exactly that. And we understand the mechanism behind that. Crude oil, the lifeblood of the military-industrial complex, the lifeblood of this market. It's the lifeblood of this market. So, I hate to see crude oil get hit because I know it's coming. Another false flag event, some other thing to prop up crude oil, and a lot of times it costs human life. They don't care. They don't care how many people they have to kill to keep crude oil propped up. I mean, look at the petrodollar, how they established that. That's charade. Anyway, it's all a game, people. You just got to know how to play it. And again, it goes back to what I said before. If a certain spot in this market, like the crypto space, for example, or trading options, is not for you, that's fine. That's absolutely fine, as long as you have an awareness as to what is going on. There are always opportunities, always. Okay, me, I take them all of them. Nothing gets past me. Nothing gets past me. And that's why I put all this stuff out for you. You make up your own mind. I mean, there are a lot of people that are diehard against cryptocurrency, but they want to stay in the dollar. I don't understand that. They don't want to make money in crypto space, no matter what it is. They just can't handle it. And that's okay too. That's fine. All right, look, people, I'm out here. This guy right here loves you a lot. I sincerely hope that you share this video, get it out there as far and wide as you possibly can. I will see all of you at the end of the day, and it's just going to be lovely as it always is. I'll see you later.